Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. I'm so glad you've chosen to take this time for yourself today. Find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. This is your time to reconnect with the natural world and find peace within yourself. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Let's begin by settling into your body. Feel the surface supporting you, whether it's a chair, cushion, or the floor. Notice the places where your body makes contact. Allow your shoulders to soften and drop away from your ears. Let your arms rest naturally by your sides or in your lap. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze downward. Now, bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to change anything about your breathing. Simply notice it as it is. Feel the air flowing in through your nose, filling your lungs. And feel it flowing back out, releasing any tension you may be holding. Take a moment to appreciate this natural rhythm that sustains you every moment of every day. With each exhale, allow yourself to sink a little deeper into relaxation. Let go of the day behind you and the plans ahead. This is your sanctuary in time. Now, I invite you to imagine yourself walking along a peaceful forest path. The path is soft beneath your feet, covered with fallen leaves that cushion each step. You can hear the gentle crunch of leaves as you walk slowly and mindfully forward. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the earthy scent of the forest. Take a deep breath and smell the rich, natural fragrance around you. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, creating patches of golden light that dance on the forest floor. You notice how the light moves gently with the breeze, creating ever-changing patterns of shadow and brightness. The temperature is perfect, neither too warm nor too cool. You feel completely comfortable and safe in this natural sanctuary. As you continue walking, you hear the soft sounds of the forest, birds singing their gentle melodies in the distance, leaves rustling softly in the breeze above you, perhaps the quiet babbling of a small stream nearby. These sounds blend together into nature's symphony, soothing your mind and helping you feel even more peaceful. You come upon a small clearing where the sunlight streams down more fully. In the center of this clearing, you notice a comfortable place to sit. Perhaps it's a smooth boulder warmed by the sun, or a soft patch of moss, or a fallen log covered in velvety moss. This spot seems to be waiting just for you. Walk over and settle yourself comfortably in this perfect place. As you sit in your forest sanctuary, feel how supported you are. The earth beneath you is solid and stable. You are held by the same forces that hold the ancient trees around you. Feel your connection to this living ecosystem. You belong here in this moment, part of the greater web of life. Now bring your attention to a magnificent tree nearby. Notice its strong trunk, its branches reaching toward the sky, its roots extending deep into the earth. This tree has weathered many seasons, many storms. It bends, but does not break. It grows toward the light while staying grounded in the earth. Let this tree be a teacher for you about resilience and balance. As you observe this wise tree, imagine drawing some of its strength into yourself. With each breath in, you absorb the quiet power and stability of the forest. With each breath out, you release any worries, stress, or tension you've been carrying. The forest accepts these burdens and transforms them into peace. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin. It carries away anything you no longer need to hold on to. Each breath of forest air purifies your mind and body. You are being cleansed and renewed by this natural sanctuary. Allow yourself to receive this gift fully. Take a few moments now to simply rest in this peaceful place. You have nowhere else to be and nothing else to do. You are exactly where you need to be. Let yourself be held by the serenity of the forest. Notice how calm your mind has become, how relaxed your body feels. This peace lives within you always. The forest sanctuary is not just a place you visit, but a state of being you can return to anytime you need renewal. As we prepare to complete our time together, take one more deep breath of the pure forest air. Express gratitude to this sacred space for its gifts of peace and healing. Know that you can return to this forest sanctuary whenever you need to reconnect with your inner calm and strength. Now, slowly begin to transition back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a few deeper breaths, bringing fresh energy back into your body. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and return fully to the present moment. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of peace and connection with you as you continue with your day. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me. May you find moments of forest sanctuary in your daily life.